Hello and welcome. This is Sunil, your instructor for this course, and this section is fully going to be dedicated to MongoDB sharding. So we will start from understanding what is sharding, why it is needed, and how the sharding is achieved in MongoDB, what are the components of MongoDB sharding, what is a sharded clusters, and we will also touch what are the strategies that we use for MongoDB sharding. So this section is totally and fully dedicated to the MongoDB sharding, which is the long pending topic to be covered in this particular course. So from today I'm going to add lectures for sharding in this section, and also I will be parallelly adding to the lectures in the replication section as well. So stay in touch and keep watching the course, and if you have any question, do ask in the question answer area inside the course. And this section we will cover all the theory part, concepts for sharding, and then we will go inside the practical sessions where we will configure the MongoDB sharding. And parallelly I will also be adding the hands-on for the replication section as well. So this month is going to be all about replication and sharding in this course. So let's get started and see you inside the next lecture.